Namaskar, myself Dr. A.K. Gautam, Associate Professor of Geology, Government Bangalore PG College, Deetwana. Today I am discussing some important aspects of developmental biology. Number one, what do you mean by cleavage? Cleavage is a type of division in which the fertilized egg divides rapidly without growth. It is also known as segmentation or cellulation. Number two, at the moment we understand by test tube babies, external fertilization of an ovum by male sperm and the eventual reimplantation of this fertilized egg into the uterus. Number three, the process involving changes in the development of a young one from larval stage is called as metamorphosis. Fourth one, the part of the uterus wall where materials are exchanged between embryo and mother is known as placenta, or the structure through which mammalian embryo is nourished before birth is also known as placenta. Development of an egg without fertilization is called as parthenogenesis, and the individuals formed through the process of parthenogenesis are known as parthenoids. Sixth point, the type of sexual reproduction which involves the union of similar gametes is known as conjugation. Now, an important term is what happens in polar bodies. Polar bodies are nothing but haploid cells. Next, the diploid number of chromosomes is restored by fertilization. One of the early steps in the fertilization of both the eggs and sperm is known as pairing of homologous chromosomes. As a result of spermatogenesis, the number of functional sperm cells produced from each primary sex cells is 4 mature haploid sperms. The primary sex cells contain diploid number of chromosomes. Similarly, in oogenesis, primary sex cells divides or develops one egg cell. In oogenesis, primary sex cell develops in one egg cell. By cleavage, zygote develops into a mature organism. Next, the solid ball of cell produced by cleavage is known as morula. That is, this term morula is derived from the mulberry. Mulberry means hatooth. Now, placenta in human being is homochorial. Homochorial. You should remember the placenta in human being is homochorial. In vertebrates, the neural plate is developed from which? From epidermis. Neural plate is derived from the epidermis, and in the developing embryo the ectoderm gives rise to epidermis. Hence, similarly in mammals, fertilization usually occur in fallopian tubes or in upper part of oviduct. So it is sufficient for today. Thank you.